Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this video we are going to do these two questions from the chapter quadratic polynomials. In this problem we are given p is a prime number and the roots of the quadratic equations are factors of p. We know that factors of a prime number is 1 and the number itself. So we can say that the factors of prime number p will be 1 and p. So let's take alpha as p and beta as the other root, which is 1. Now, what we know that for a quadratic polynomial, we have a general equation that is k times x square minus sum of the zeros, that is alpha plus beta here, times x plus the product of the zeros. So this is x square, and what is the zeros here? P and 1. So we can replace this as p plus 1 times x, and the product of the zeros are the product of these two, that is 1 multiplied by p as p only. Now replacing k with 1, as you know, k is an arbitrary constant here. So this is x square minus p plus 1 times x plus p. So you'll say that correct answer is this. So we'll be, since it is an equation, we'll be writing a 0 here, not a polynomial. This is a quadratic equation. If it is a polynomial, we don't place a 0. And in case of an equation, we place a 0. And based on these, we have these set of 4 questions. In the first part, it says, what is the lowest cost of a ticket that would allow the theater to break even? And what is the highest cost that the theater can charge to the break even? To solve this problem, we need to analyze the quadratic function given for profit and determine the break even points, that is profit loss at specific prices and maximum profit. To find the break-even points, we need to solve for x when px equals 0. So we set up the equation negative x squared plus 22x minus 40 equals 0. So in order to factorize this, we are going to split 22x in the factors of 20. So what we can write over here, this is negative x squared. I can split 22x as what? 20x plus 2 times x minus 40. Now taking negative x as common, we'll get x minus 20, and taking 2 common from the last two term, we'll get this as x minus 20. Now taking x minus 20 common throughout, and this is equal to 0 as this is an equation over here. So we get negative x plus 2 equals 0. Now equating the first factor with 0, that is x minus 20 with 0, we get x as 20, and comparing this with 0, we get x as 2. Now since it is in 100 here, x is in 100, so we can say that x has two values. Multiplying 100 to this comes out to be 2000, and multiplying 100 here, we can say that 200. So that is 2000 and 200. In the second part, it says if the theater charged rupees 400 for each ticket, then what is the profit or loss? To find the profit or loss at rupees 400, we are going to replace x as 4 in the polynomial. So it results to give P4 equals 32. Therefore, the profit is 3200. In the third part, it says if theater charged rupees 2500 for each ticket, then what is the profit or loss? Similar to the previous question, here also we are going to replace x with 25 in the polynomial. That results to give P25 as minus 115. Therefore, there is a loss of 11500. In the fourth part, it says what is the maximum profit which can be earned by theater? To find the maximum profit, we need to find the vertex of the parabola. that represents the profit function. The x coordinate of the vertex can be found using the formula x equals negative b over 2a, where a equals -1 and b equals -22. So we get x as 11. Now to find the maximum profit, we can substitute x as 11 in the profit function. That results to give P11 equals 81. So the maximum profit occurs when the cost of the ticket is 1100. This means the maximum profit that can be earned by the theater is 81,000.